For our 1Ps, for bars, they can do the climbing over the mat and sliding down with mom's help. Here, if the parents can coach them into stepping on this bar and holding onto this one, they can then start shimmying across. If not, we can just stand right here with them and they can reach into the bucket and work on their fine motor skills of grabbing and then putting it down the tube. So your more apt 1-year-olds can start their walking. If they're not up for that yet, just have them stand still and reach and grab. And here you will grab our big block and they are going to hang on, and then they're going to use their choice of when they're going to fall, because it will be like a 1-inch drop onto the big mat. I've just been using one of these cheese mats and folding it over to bring over here. So they'll hang, and then when they're ready, the parents will just have their hands like close to their hips but not holding them, so that they can choose when to let go and fall. And then they can come over here and lay down and put their hand on the white bar and then kick the turtle. Okay. And then for floor section, they can walk up the balance steppers, and they can run down, crawl down, roll down, however they want to down the cheese mat. Here they are going to be stepping, so stepping over the hoops, and we can start on assisted donkey kicks here with our 1-year-olds. So the parents will put their hands on, place the kids' hands on the mat, and then they will be lifting their hips for them to get them introduced into that bilateral symmetrical movement. So bilateral symmetrical movement is where your hands are doing the same thing and your feet are doing the same thing together. So, and then they'll walk across, and again here they can roll, crawl, run, slide down the mat. And then on this one, we are working on those side steps across the beam and climbing up and down the slide. And then we have our little pathway here where on this one they will walk forward to the red dot. Here they'll sidestep, and then hop on each tape to the red, sidestep, and then they'll walk backwards. This video is making me dizzy, so I'm sorry, to the star. So just a little tape pathway that they can follow, working on changing up movements on cue. And then our ball pit, they can play in the balls, they can work on sorting colors, they can use their hand-eye coordination with the hoops and dragging the balls or pushing the balls with them. And we have our bean bags. They can walk across the beams and grab bean bags and go put them in colored buckets as well.